right here on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky. So clear, it's better than we planned it. This rising sun was meant for you and I. We see it now, the story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now, nothing could be better. You and me, chasing down forever after.
Yeah, we made it to Mahone Bay, which is only around 10 kilometers from Lunenburg, and we're checking that out today. Got the museum behind us, something people should see while they're here, but there's many things to see. A lot of shops, a lot of restaurants, a lot of beautiful sights. So let me show you around, let me walk you around and show some of the incredible architecture that is here. Yes, a lot of beautiful old houses here, late Victorians, and a lot of them even earlier than that. But beautiful to see if you love Victorian architecture and just old, beautiful homes. Let's go.
Felt the air under us, against the wind, try for something else. Watch it go. Tied all the right words, the time I knew it was our turn. Hear the words come and guide the way. I found that home in another day. Let go, let go. I see the world through different eyes, and it changes everything.
Quite surprised how busy it is here. Actually, lots of tourists and wind, which you probably hear. Sorry about that. But lots of shops, lots of restaurants, lots of places to go and see. So let's continue on.
Gather thoughts on a winter night. We're holding tight. I see the world through different eyes. It's neither day or night. I won't let you go. Changes everything. It changes everything.
The drone footage is going to be amazing, just beautiful, but it is a busy little town, the through road, lots of traffic. It's going to be still the Labor Day weekend, so people are still out and about visiting, as you can see, but cute. Like I said, there's lots to see. Beautiful walkway along the water, which is just stunning and cools you off. There's always a little bit of wind, not right now.